Hello there, amazing ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. You're welcome to this channel. As always, we present to you beautiful and amazing short hairstyling, haircut ideas and inspiration. Yes, it's a new trend for lots of women, as probably they try to avoid the stress of always visiting the hair salon, or even for their own comfort, whatever the reason for you or choice for coming to try out the short hairstyles or going for the short hair look. Whatever the choice is, it's absolutely beautiful and bold of you to take that step, as these are all hairstyles within the video that will present you with most of the very recent, most captivating, most exciting looks when it comes to your natural low cuts. Right now you'll be seeing some amazing stylish natural low cuts for ladies wherever you are right now. We really hope you get inspired. You'll be seeing beautiful and amazing natural tapered fade low cuts short hairstyling ideas. You also get to see waves low cut hairstyles inspiration, transformation from long to low cut pixel haircuts, beautiful and amazing colorful low cuts, coily low cuts, big chop, blonde or blondie low cut ideas, and so many others. Of course, if you watch on, you get to see the pink waves low cut ideas and inspiration, or even the late bronze haircuts or low cuts inspiration. Don't forget the platinum blonde low cuts, or simply if you're looking for how to wear a low cut or short haircut or hairstyle, this is the absolute video for you. You get to see amazing blonde low cuts and lines, designs, and so many other unique ways of standing out with your short hair choice. We always want you to look your best when it comes to your short hair styling. We always want you to feel comfortable whatever choice you decide to go for. So watch on through the end. Let's hear from you on the comment section what you think about the video. Do well to get subscribed to this channel. Make sure you leave us a like, a thumbs up to encourage us, not just the video but us as the creator of some of this beautiful compilation that you watch always, as it goes a long way to telling us definitely we're doing something right. Remember also to press that notification bell so that you don't miss out on important updates from us. We try as much as possible to present to you beautiful, unique, latest and most recent trends when it comes to your short hair styling. In this case, absolutely gorgeous low cuts, low maintenance hair care, and hairstyles ideas and inspiration. Watch out for our blog that will be coming up very soon, as you stand to get a lot more information and valuable ways to style your short hairstyles and haircuts, along some other things that you may want to look out for. Thank you so very much for watching this through the end. We really hope you do not skip any part of it, and also do well to check up on our other video contents. Till tomorrow, you take care and have a lovely time out there. Bye.